Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a previous year questions on electronics device. According to the given numerical, it is written that consider a n-type silicon at T equals to 300K in which Nd is given by 10 to the power 17 per centimeter cube and Na is given by equals to 0 and Ni is also provided 1.5 into 10 to the power 10 per centimeter cube. Determine the thermal equilibrium, electron and hole concentration. So we know that N0 can be written by the equation Nd minus Na divided by 2 plus root over Nd minus Na by 2 whole square plus Ni square. So from this equation we can see that Na is 0, so Nd value is given. If I put the Nd value, it is 10 to the power 17 by 2 plus 10 to the power 17 by 2 whole square plus Ni value is given. Ni is 1.5 into 10 to the power 10 whole square and whole root over. So we can find the value as 10 to the power 7 per centimeter cube. And from the mass action law, we can write that P0 equals to Ni square divided by N0, and Ni square is known as 1.5 into 10 to the power 10 whole square. N0 value we have derived, that is 10 to the power 17, and from this equation we can find the value of P0 and it will come out as 2.25 into 10 to the power 3 per centimeter cube. So this will be the value of electron and hole inside the given silicon semiconductor N type, and this is all about the numerical given. Thank you.